Want to study Cambodian? No time? It's not a problem anymore. These Cambodian books can help you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Cambodian with my channel. And today in this lesson you will learn 4 words in Cambodian language. So in this lesson you will learn the word most, mostly, the most, and almost. Okay, right now let's start. Number 1, you use most. Most when we think about its part or speak is adjective. Adjective. And as you know already in Cambodian language, for adjective always come after noun. Come after noun. It's not the same as in English. In English you use adjective before noun. In Khmer after noun. So for the word most as an adjective, and in Khmer we say ភាគច្រើនភាគច្រើន most. Now let's see example. Example number 1. Most Khmer people use Facebook. Most Khmer people use Facebook. And how to translate? Use translate Khmer people first and then most. So you see, like most come after Khmer people. Now let's say in Khmer. ប្រជាជនខ្មែរភាគច្រើនប្រើ Facebook. ប្រជាជនខ្មែរភាគច្រើនប្រើ Facebook. In the sentence you see the word ប្រជាជន is people. ប្រជាជន For the word people you can use another word that everyone know that we say មនុស្ស មនុស្ស So for the word people you can say ប្រជាជន or មនុស្ស And Khmer people we say ប្រជាជនខ្មែរ and then the word most ភាគច្រើន ភាគច្រើន and ប្រើ is a word to use to use. Yeah, as you know, like everyone use Facebook, especially like in the world, and in Cambodia a lot of, or I can say all Cambodian people, but not all Cambodian people. Some people they don't use Facebook, but mostly most my people use Facebook. Okay, so now I read this sentence for you one more time. ប្រជាជនខ្មែរភាគច្រើនប្រើ Facebook. Now let's see example number 2. Example number 2 about cars in Cambodia. You know cars in Cambodia mostly are white because Khmer people like white car, like white car. So this sentence we say most cars in Cambodia are white. Most cars in Cambodia are white. So white is the most popular color for car in Cambodia. Okay, now let's say in Khmer. ឡានភាគច្រើននៅកម្ពុជាពណ៌ស ឡានភាគច្រើននៅកម្ពុជាពណ៌ស So ឡាន is car ឡាន most car most នៅកម្ពុជា is in Cambodia and ពណ៌ស is white color. ពណ៌ is color, ស is white. So for white or white color we say ពណ៌ស ពណ៌ស again ឡានភាគច្រើននៅកម្ពុជាពណ៌ស Okay. So this is how to use most in Cambodian language. Now go to see the word mostly. Mostly you translate the same as most ភាគច្រើន but part of speak is adverb, and how to translate, you use this different place as well for this. Now let's see example. I will use the same example from previous example so that you can understand clearly, and then you can compare this example together. Example number 1 with mostly. With most, I say most Khmer people use Facebook. And now I use mostly, I say mostly Khmer people use Facebook. So how to translate? You say mostly first, like in English. And then you just say ភាគច្រើនប្រជាជនខ្មែរប្រើ Facebook បាទភាគច្រើនប្រជាជនខ្មែរប្រើ Facebook បាទ and meaning with most Khmer people is the same ណាបាទ and example number 2 the same. I use car, and then you say mostly cars in Cambodia are white. Mostly cars in Cambodia are white. ភាគច្រើនឡាននៅកម្ពុជាពណ៌សភាគច្រើនឡាននៅកម្ពុជាពណ៌សបាទ so you see this is how to use mostly in Cambodian language. You use like this ណាបាទ okay, go to the word the most. Go to the word the most. For the word the most, for its part or speak can be adjective or adverb. The same can be adjective or adverb. And in Khmer we say បំផុត or ជាងគេ បំផុត ជាងគេ so you can use both ណា បំផុត or ជាងគេ now let's see example. The first one, I use it as an adjective. I use it as an adjective. For example, she is the most beautiful girl. She is the most beautiful girl. In Khmer you say នាងជាស្រីស្អាតជាងគេ or នាងជាស្រីស្អាតបំផុត នាងជាស្រីស្អាតបំផុត so you can use one of them. So នាង is she, or you can say គាត់ and ជា is to be is, ស្រី is girl, ស្អាត is beautiful. ស្អាត is beautiful, and then beautiful girl in Khmer you say ស្រីស្អាត ណា beautiful girl ស្រីស្អាត. And then you use the word the most after beautiful girl. ជាងគេ or បំផុត now let's say again. នាងជាស្រីស្អាតជាងគេ នាងជាស្រីស្អាតបំផុត example number 2. I use it as an adverb. I use it as an adverb. I like to swim the most. I like to swim the most. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តហែលទឹកជាងគេ ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តហែលទឹកបំផុត okay. So អានេះ adverb ណា adverb. ចូលចិត្ត is like, ហែលទឹក is to swim. So I like to swim the most. So this is how to use the most as an adverb. You use like this. One more time. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តហែលទឹកជាងគេ ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តហែលទឹកបំផុត okay. So this is how to use the most as an adjective and adverb. And now go to see the last one. The last one you use almost. Almost. Actually for the word almost, its part of speech is an adverb as well. And in Khmer you say ស្ទើរតែ ស្ទើរតែ but in common speaking we like to say ជិត ជិត that everyone know already is near or nearly. ជិត. So in common speaking we always use ជិត all the time ណា Now example. I've lived here for almost 3 years. I've lived here for almost 3 years ខ្ញុំរស់នៅទីនេះជិត3ឆ្នាំខ្ញុំរស់នៅទីនេះជិត3ឆ្នាំ បាទ usually like in spoken like this if Khmer people like to add one more word at the end is already mostly we like to say ខ្ញុំរស់នៅទីនេះជិត3ឆ្នាំហើយអូខេខ្ញុំរស់នៅទីនេះជិត3ឆ្នាំហើយបាទអានេះ we add the word already at the end of the sentence បាទ let's learn the word in the sentence you see the word រស់នៅ is to live រស់នៅ to live ទីនេះ is here បាទ here and for you don't need to translate you can skip and almost is ជិត3ឆ្នាំ is 3 years 3ឆ្នាំបាទ 3 years now let me read this sentence for you one more time ខ្ញុំរស់នៅទីនេះជិត3ឆ្នាំបាទ another example we are almost home we are almost home យើងជិតដល់ផ្ទះហើយយើងជិតដល់ផ្ទះហើយបាទ so you see I use ហើយ at the end of the sentence it means we are almost home already បាទ even if it is like in the future but you can use ហើយ as well ណាបាទ we are almost home already បាទ look at the sentence you see the word ដល់បាទ ដល់ yeah I think most students know this word already ដល់ it means arrive បាទ it means arrive so in Khmer we say we almost arrive home already បាទ we almost arrive home already បាទយើងជិតដល់ផ្ទះហើយបាទយើងជិតដល់ផ្ទះហើយបាទផ្ទះ is home or house ណាបាទបាទ so this is how to use the word almost in Cambodian language បាទ